Ini mah lu ada. Bisa sah.
Ang ira bisa or na hindi sih.
One. Turi. Tuh budi.
Ada apa
Tinggi sah.
Orang tu kalau ni masuk
Sah.
Today, 30th September 2023, the Pramotha Party is launching statewide ban, especially in Addis area. As you all know, the Pramotha Party is a registered, recognized party. We are in opposition in State Assembly. And this is the token of our expression to ventilate, to focus our core issue, our demand, that is Greater Triple M, under Article 2 and 3 of Indian Constitution. It was our core issue, core demand. Today, in 30 spots around all Tripura, 30 places, we have blockade the route. We have strike the office to close. It is peaceful and democratic. So far, I have got information. There is no any untoward incident took place. All are peaceful in democratic way. And the Pramotha Party believe to have a peaceful movement, democratic movement, to raise our voice, to raise our demand, so that the central government, Modi government, will listen to us as our talk is going on, dialogue is going on between Pramotha, Abu Bakr and the central government. And during this talk, dialogue, we have a symbolic movement just to express our agony, our pain, as we are suffering for 70 years. The indigenous people, the Tipuri people are suffering. They are marginalized politically, they are marginalized socially, economically, educationally, all aspects of their life. These are grievances. In democratic country, we are living, but we become minority in our own land. This so pathetic condition. As we are not getting justice, social justice. There are a lot of posts in government offices, lot of reservation lying vacant. Our ST have lot of vacancy posts in government service. We are not getting. So far, I have a knowledge. There are about 20 to 30,000 posts for ST is lying vacant in the state government, under state government of Tripura. And Addis area is undeveloped, as you all know. There are a lot of problem facing. Drinking water problem, road communication problem, electricity problem, and all education institution is not running smoothly. So we are depriving in many ways. Therefore, this movement is a symbolic one to express our agony, our pain. Therefore, I appeal to the people of Tripura, to the citizens of Tripura, to cooperate with the Pramotha, to join hand in our movement peacefully, so that our core issue, our demand can be highlighted, and government will going to accept our demand. Therefore, the Pramotha, led by our Maharaja Padukishu, is gaining momentum day by day. Our support is increasing. Therefore, I think it's the right time, right situation, the central government to listen our demand. Tini 30 September सारा त्रिपुरायाव जों ओमहाय स्ट्राइक खाय दङ बन खाय दङ दिनै अफिसियेलि 30टा दागो जों खायजाखा धर्मनर हयते साब्रुम पर्यन्त जों काफै दङ अब दिनै मुभमेन्ट ओंखाय जास्ट जों सेन्ट्रेल गभर्नमेन्ट सानाबागै जे दिनै जों दुखु खस्थ' मानि दंमाने जों जे दिनै हानि बोसाराव अरनि बुंपुत्रक जों डिप्राइभिं दंमाने गोबां मा बोसोराव मै जोंबो बे थगायजाबि दंमाने जों बनजि दंमाने दिनै मानथाय सकाय मायां दंमाने दिनै हा गोमाय दंमाने दिनै कक मानि कक बरक गोमाय दंमाने आबाद जों दिनै जों थानसा खालायगै जों दाबाव जों फुनौै दङ आं कयनाय जत्त दिनै त्रिपुरा बासिरावनो तमा वानसा तमा त्रिपुरासा जत्तनो हायदि जों त्रिपुरा मथनो जइन खालायगै दिनै मुभमेन्ट न दिनै ओ आन्दोलन शान्ति भाबे जों पाइलायनाय अबनो दिनै हानसानि मारि अबनो दिनै हामजामान मारि जों जा जत्तनो बुजिखा जत्तनो सिखा ओ त्रिपुरा सरक जे आसे बन्ति दंमाने बरनि हुकुम मुकुम कमाय दंमाने बे बरनि हा कमाय दंमाने आबनो उद्धार खायना बगै आबनो रखा खायना बगै दिनै बबाग्रा अंखाय फैखा जों बबाग्राना हामजागो जों बनो साबुत खायो जों बनो नाहरै सामखाय दङ आं खागागो चिन्तिफ्राव भाइनो जों जरा गाहामसो फैखा जों फियक जानानै बेसे देग्लिया आं खागागो बरि बगै दिनैहाय একটা गाहाम दिन सातों वातैनो हियो तिमराव दुखु खस्थ' खालायो तिनर गोबां मा सिख्लार गोबां बुदिं बराव दिब्रानि मथानि बै गुबुननि दखान बराव भाइनो जोंनाव बराव साहाय्य खाय दंफायो जों हेल्प खाय दंफायो बरि बां दत्तनो पाइप्लाया हामबाय रगै आं दिनै इसा कक सामानि अरम थासनि जन हामबाय खुलुमबाय हामबाय
Hai koine sini dakote bukuk tolo yang thang eklai jo tonu turun sadakan apui tongmane sini sar song madam song sini senior leader song je kok khalai song khana laine